In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the bringing devices together feature on your iPhone. This feature can automatically connect devices, but if you prefer more control, stick around. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. It's the gear icon on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find AirPlay and Handoff. If you cannot find it, you can simply search for it. And here, this is where you can manage features related to device connections. In this menu, you will see the handoff option. Simply toggle it off to disable it. When it's gray, that means it's disabled. Additionally, you can also turn off related features like transfer to HomePod or automatic AirPlay to TVs if you want to limit device interactions further. Once you've made your changes, you can exit the settings and you're all set. And that's it, you've successfully turned off bringing devices together on your iPhone.